Welcome to this walk around of Hyundai's electrified range. As the UK heads towards a ban on the sale of new petrol and diesel cars in 2030, there's a new suite of terms to learn that describe how different vehicles are powered. And it can be pretty confusing to understand all the different jargon. So we're here to help with this simple guide to help you make the right choice for your needs. And the choice is a smart one because switching to hybrid or electric can reduce your running costs and CO2 emissions. Now is the perfect time to drive smarter with your next hybrid or electric car from Hyundai. A mild hybrid or MHEV is the least electrified type of hybrid vehicle. To drive, a mild hybrid feels like a normal combustion engine powered car. However, it's able to run on electric power when deaccelerating or while stopped, conserving fuel at regular intervals on your daily drive. It's an enhancement over traditional start and stop technology, as it's able to switch to electric before the car comes to a complete stop, and then assist the engine when setting off again. Hyundai's mild hybrid technology, as used in all-new Tucson or the all-new i20, improves the powertrain's economy and CO2 emissions by up to 11%, depending on the vehicle's specification. You might have heard the term self-charging hybrid, but what does this mean? Well, putting it simply, a self-charging hybrid works in exactly the same way as a conventional car with no cables to plug in. The technology uses a normal petrol engine, an electric motor, and a high-voltage battery. The electric motor works with the petrol engine to enhance performance, whilst reducing CO2 emissions and improving fuel consumption. The battery is recharged by a combination of the engine and through recovering energy, which would otherwise be lost, such as when slowing down or by regenerative braking. The difference between this and an MHEV is that a self-charging hybrid can drive on electric power only, albeit for very short distances, usually up to a mile. This is useful in situations like parking or gentle acceleration, making these vehicles very fuel efficient in urban environments. A plug-in hybrid is an evolution of a self-charging hybrid. Plug-in hybrids, or PHEVs, have much larger batteries, which also means they have a much larger electric-only range. This larger battery can be recharged by cable and will give you more than enough all-electric range to get you to the local shop and back, or maybe even to and from work. Depending on your circumstances, a PHEV could make visits to the petrol station a rare occasion, and most of your driving will be completely emissions-free. On much longer journeys, the combustion engine will kick in to get you to where you need to be. A battery electric vehicle, also known as a pure electric or fully electric car, is one that combines one or more electric motors with a battery and does not have a petrol or diesel motor on board. That also means that it's completely emissions-free or zero emissions at all times. Like the PHEV, the batteries are charged via an external power supply, either at home or from a public charging station, as well as through regenerative braking while driving. Continual advances have greatly extended these vehicles' driving range, boosted their torque, reduced charging times, and established a better recharging infrastructure. Do pay Hyundai a visit and explore the right electric solution for you.